Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and today is the day of weird radios. We've got a pink radio. It's an emergency radio. It was loaned to me by Jeff, and it's a pretty unique emergency radio in that it claims it has a 20,000 milliamp battery. Rechargeable battery, doesn't appear to be removable, although there are some screws in the back. And it's heavy. It's really heavy. This is AM, FM, shortwave weather band. No Bluetooth or anything like that. No MP3 player. And it's pink. It comes in black, orange, and white. This part here is what is a different color. This is always the same color. It normally sells, you can get these off of Amazon right now. It normally sells for $59.99. Now, remember, it claims it has a 20,000 milliamp battery. It has no weather alerts. Pretty nice little radio. It has a solar charging panel. It has crank charging. It has a very bright light, which I won't turn on. It's too bright. Over here under this little seal here is the connectors to charge it and to provide. Let me open it up, put my notes down. There it is. So it can provide, there's a charging port and there's the output port so that it can be used as a battery for other things like charging your cell phone. Pretty neat. Let's just turn it on. Okay, we've got on-off volume, band select, and tuning. Shortwave, AM, weather band, FM. So let's turn it on. We're on shortwave. The antenna, let me extend it fully. It's about, let me get my ruler here. I've learned how to use a tape measure, so that's handy. About 20 inches. He got this used, I believe. Let me just check something. Stand by. I'm always unprepared. He does provide notes on his radios, but this time he was in a hurry and he didn't have notes for everything. And it doesn't look like, yeah, he does have some notes for the, and this one, this is sold by many companies. This is sold by AIVICA. And, oh, he bought it on Amazon when it was on sale for $45. Oh, okay. Way to go, Jeff. So he got it even cheaper than what it's on sale for now, which is $49.95. And we are on shortwave. We're not going to get much on shortwave, but I'll tune anyway. Uh-oh. Muting while tuning. Really hard to tune. Now, also, it has a tuning indicator and a battery charge indicator. It's got 4 bars. It's on 3 bars right now. Let's go to something more likely to receive, AM. Okay, there's AM.
Yeah, I mean, just every day we go to work, and this is what keeps us going. It's people like that bring and tell us how
the stations are that way.
their indoor air quality has changed.
And we're getting some AC hum from all the electronics in my office.
In the MLB, I think this is a learning lesson for both the players and for the managers. I mean,
Good, clear audio, plenty of volume. Let's try weather band. We're at the top of the band. There it is.
Becoming northeast after midnight. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail, northwest 2 feet at 6 seconds and north 1 foot at 3 seconds.
Boy, a winter has arrived in Florida. My AC heater system came on this morning, providing heat. It's gotten a little cold. Okay, so we got one clear. Should be able to get two, at least.
Or less.
There's another one.
Wave detail, northeast 1 foot at 2 seconds and west 1 foot at 7 seconds. Bay and inland waters.
Can't get it to lock in.
Tonight, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail.
Okay, but it's clear.
Seconds and northwest 1 foot at 6 seconds.
So we got two. That's what we normally get. Sometimes we can get three. Yeah, I turned the volume down here. I got to watch FM. Can't have music playing. Bottom of the band. There's music.
Befuddling realization.
Getting interference. All of a sudden, I'm getting interference in my office. I mean, I can understand. I got so many electronics on. Yeah, music.
Was easy like 1, 2, 3. Optima's award-winning team of expert tax professionals took care of
very clear.
I owe $15,000.
Got a handle?
Debt is clean. I don't owe anything. Take Eric's advice. If you 150,
Okay, we gotta stay away from that music. There we go. Isn't that cool? And this is what's surprised me is he bought it. And maybe when he bought it, the pink was on the super discount, and that's why he got pink. I was thinking he bought it used, and that's why it was pink. But that's the story. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. This is quite unusual, and besides having multiple bands, the big battery, that's the thing about this guy. And like I say, this same radio in different colors is sold by various sellers on Amazon. So check them out. About $50. Great emergency radio. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.